Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of stylish and sustainable pallets furniture design ideas that transform your home and outdoor space into luxury look. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. In today's world, where sustainability and style are no longer seen as separate ideals, but as partners in modern living, the act of crafting upcycled pallet furniture has become a meaningful and creative expression of both environmental consciousness and personal design. The wooden pallet, once a humble symbol of industrial transport, has found new life in homes, gardens, and outdoor spaces across the world, becoming a statement of ingenuity and eco-friendly living. To craft upcycled pallets into stylish and sustainable furniture is to embrace a philosophy that values resourcefulness over excess, craftsmanship over consumption, and authenticity over artificiality. It is more than a hobby, it is a movement that turns discarded materials into functional beauty, connecting the maker with both nature and purpose. The significance of pallet upcycling lies first in its profound impact on sustainability. Each pallet reused is a piece of wood rescued from the waste stream, saved from decay or burning, and given a second life. In an era when deforestation continues to strain ecosystems and natural resources are under threat, every reused board counts. By transforming pallets into furniture, creators reduce demand for new lumber, cut down on industrial waste, and contribute to a circular economy, an economy where materials are continuously reused and repurposed rather than discarded. This form of crafting isn't just environmentally responsible, it's empowering. It allows individuals to see themselves as part of the solution, using their own hands to make change tangible. Every table, chair, or planter made from reclaimed pallets tells a story of transformation, a story of how something once forgotten can be reborn through creativity and care. But sustainability is only part of the magic. Upcycling pallets for home furniture also embodies a unique aesthetic that blends rustic charm with contemporary sophistication. The natural imperfections of pallet wood, the varied grain patterns, weathered surfaces, and subtle marks of use bring character and authenticity that mass-produced furniture simply cannot replicate. When incorporated into modern interiors, this raw beauty contrasts beautifully with sleek finishes and minimalist design, creating a balance between the old and the new. A coffee table made from reclaimed pallets, for instance, adds warmth and texture to a modern living room. A pallet headboard can turn a simple bedroom into a cozy sanctuary, and an outdoor lounge built from pallets transforms an empty patio into an inviting retreat. In every case, the material brings not just functionality, but a sense of history and craftsmanship that enhances the space emotionally as much as aesthetically. The act of crafting furniture from upcycled pallets is also significant because it reconnects people with the process of making, something increasingly rare in a world dominated by ready-made products. When individuals take the time to sand, shape, and assemble pieces of wood into something beautiful and useful, they engage in a deeply human experience of creation. There is an undeniable satisfaction that comes from seeing a pile of old boards transformed under your own hands into a finished piece of furniture that will serve and adorn your home. It reminds us that craftsmanship still matters, that beauty and utility do not always have to come with a high price tag or from a factory far away. This return to making things ourselves instills a sense of pride and ownership that enhances not only our homes, but our relationship with the world around us. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video? If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Beyond the home, pallet upcycling plays a significant role in reimagining outdoor spaces. Patios, gardens, and balconies become blank canvases for creative expression, where pallet wood can be turned into everything from lounge seating to vertical gardens, outdoor bars, or swing beds. The adaptability of pallets makes them ideal for outdoor design because they can be easily customized to fit any size, shape, or purpose. Their sturdiness, when properly treated, ensures durability against weather, and their rustic appeal naturally blends with outdoor surroundings. What makes this form of design particularly meaningful is that it invites sustainability into spaces where we connect with nature. The very act of sitting on a pallet bench under a tree or arranging plants in an upcycled pallet planter reinforces the relationship between human comfort and environmental respect. It's as though each repurposed board whispers a quiet reminder that living beautifully need not come at the planet's expense. The social significance of upcycled pallet furniture is equally important. In communities around the world, this practice has sparked a movement of collaboration, education, and empowerment. Workshops teaching people how to build furniture from reclaimed pallets have become popular hubs of creativity, attracting individuals of all ages and skill levels. These gatherings go beyond mere craftsmanship. They foster a sense of shared purpose. Participants not only learn practical skills, but also develop an appreciation for sustainable living. In this way, pallet upcycling transcends individual homes. It becomes a form of community building, a collective expression of environmental responsibility that spreads awareness one project at a time. From an economic standpoint, crafting upcycled pallet furniture offers an accessible path to affordability without sacrificing style or quality. Traditional furniture making or purchasing often involves high costs, both financial and environmental, but pallets are typically inexpensive or even free, available from local warehouses, factories, or shipping yards. For creative entrepreneurs and artisans, this accessibility opens doors to small business opportunities. With effort, imagination, and attention to craftsmanship, what begins as a do-it-yourself project can evolve into a profitable enterprise. Handmade pallet furniture appeals to a growing market of conscious consumers who value originality and sustainability over mass production. Each creation can be tailored, customized, and branded as a unique piece, making it not only a product, but a story that customers connect with. Thus, the pallet becomes not just a material, but a medium for sustainable entrepreneurship. In the context of modern interior design, the appeal of pallet furniture extends beyond sustainability and cost-effectiveness. It represents a shift in values. The modern home is no longer simply a showcase of luxury or perfection. It has become a reflection of personal ethics and individuality. Incorporating upcycled pallet pieces into home decor symbolizes mindfulness and creativity. It tells visitors that this is a space shaped by intention, by someone who values both design and the environment. The juxtaposition of rustic and modern elements also brings balance into interiors, softening the often cold, sterile feel of minimalism with warmth and texture. Designers today increasingly recognize that sustainability enhances, rather than limits, aesthetics, and pallet furniture embodies this truth perfectly. Moreover, the act of working with pallets teaches patience, problem-solving, and respect for materials. Each pallet is different, requiring careful disassembly, inspection, and preparation before use. The maker learns to work with imperfections rather than against them, discovering beauty in irregularity and strength in flaws. This approach mirrors broader life lessons about adaptation and creativity. In every dent or knot, there is a lesson about impermanence and transformation, how even what seems broken can be made whole again. It is this philosophy that gives upcycled pallet crafting its emotional depth. It's not just furniture making, it's storytelling through wood. As sustainability continues to shape global trends, upcycling pallets stands as a model of practical eco-design. It demonstrates that individuals do not need vast resources to live responsibly or beautifully. A modern home furnished with reclaimed pallet pieces becomes an example of how luxury can coexist with conscience, and how design can serve both function and the future. Outdoor spaces outfitted with pallet creations become sanctuaries where relaxation and respect for the environment meet harmoniously. Each creation, whether simple or elaborate, reinforces a powerful truth. Sustainability begins with creativity, not compromise. Ultimately, crafting upcycled pallet furniture holds significance far beyond its visual appeal. It represents a harmonious blend of ethics, artistry, and innovation. It empowers individuals to take part in environmental stewardship while expressing their own sense of style. It transforms waste into wonder, connecting people to the value of materials, the importance of sustainability, and the joy of creation. In every sense, it is a form of modern craftsmanship that honors the past while shaping a more responsible future. By choosing to build with pallets, we choose to live with intention, to see potential where others see waste, and to prove that beauty, sustainability, and functionality can thrive together in the spaces we call home. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our handpicked stylish and sustainable Pallets Furniture design ideas that transform your home and outdoor space into luxury look. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.